Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Drew.
And I'm Lauren, and you're watching the Edward Joyner YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 outfits that you can wear this fall and winter season.
Stay tuned.
So all the outfits that I'm going to be showing you, they all revolve around Edward Joyner garments.
So I will be rating each outfit based on a 1 to 5 scale. I have these cards right here to denote whether or not I like it. 1 meaning that, it's okay, and 5 meaning like, dang!
They're all going to be
It looks good. We'll see. We'll see.
Okay.
We'll see.
Also, on a side note, he hasn't seen any of these outfits beforehand, so these are his real reactions in real time. I also want to see what you all think about my outfits, so be sure to leave a comment of your favorite outfit.
Alright, let's get into it.
Let's get into it.
Alright, outfit number 1, I have my rating cards, 1 out of 5. Alright, Lauren, let's see what you got. Okay. Okay, so
we got some biker shorts.
The biker shorts?
Biker shorts. This is kind of an athleisure look.
Yeah.
We got the...
This is for like a more like warmer fall day. I feel like it's warm and it's
this
warm.
This is for like, you might be going on a workout, on a little run. I've got my watch on,
Okay,
I've got my running watch.
Facts. You got the watch?
I got the watch. So
I think this is what I think. Okay, I think it's for like a warm fall day when it's a little bit warm in the sun, but in like the shade it's kind of cold, right?
Yes.
And
you're gonna be working out, you might need to take this off, have a sports bra under, wrap it around your waist.
Exactly.
You got the sneakers that the colors match the speckles in the beanie.
Ooh, okay, I like that.
Details,
I like that. I like that.
And yeah, so this is
okay, for this one, I'm gonna have to give it because I love the hues. I love sneakers. I love when people style sneakers. I don't know if you guys just saw my spit, but I love when people style sneakers, and so I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5 stars. You'll take it.
I feel like I wear this kind of outfit a lot too because I'm a very athleisure kind of person.
For sure.
So good outfits and easy little, cute little thing.
Dope. Alright, so outfit number 2. I have not seen these outfits yet, so this is a real reaction, okay? Real reactions out here. Alright, Lauren, come on in. Okay. Okay. I like that one. You want to talk about it for a second?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
what are you thinking?
This gives me kind of what I feel like teenagers wear in Europe, like teenagers.
Okay, yeah.
Kind of like the streetwear style for young adults in Europe. We got some white sneakers.
Getting a phone call.
The double layer with the jean jacket and the black hoodie. I love this hoodie. So we have the EJ hoodie, obviously, but
right.
it's just so nice because you can layer this with anything, and it's just a simple, like, you don't necessarily have to see the EJ.
Right.
It's just a simple black hoodie, and then I paired it with a little black dad hat to match the kind of
the vibe. Yeah, so I love this outfit actually. I love the cohesiveness with the blacks. And then I also love, I love the Stan Smiths too. I feel like it's a nice little pop of white, like compared to everything else. And I think that like the white of the shoes go well with the denim. And so, alright, so for this one, I'm gonna give you 5 out of 5. You killed it, girl. You killed it. 5 out of 5. Actually, I love this outfit.
It's very comfortable too.
Yeah.
Like
Definitely very comfortable. And I mean, you look good in it. I think especially for someone who's tall like you, it looks really good. So good job.
Thank you.
Outfit number 2.
Number 2.
All right, outfit number 3. Let's do it. Come on over, Lauren. Whoa there.
Okay.
Whoa there, sis. Whoa there. Wait, do a twirl for us. Whoa there.
Okay, this is a little different from the other ones. A little bit more feminine, more girly.
Yeah.
I tucked this in for a little different fit.
Yeah.
Paired it with some boots for the fall. A little hat that matches the pants. Some bangles.
Okay.
Rolled up the sleeves. Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
So far, this is my favorite one.
Okay.
This is my favorite one so far. I love the pants on that.
Mm-hmm.
They look so comfortable.
Yeah. Some flowy pants.
Like they can go casual. They can go a little bit more like classy kind of feel.
Yeah.
I feel like paired with the boots, they look a little bit more classy. But obviously, like the sweatshirt makes it more. I love it. Yeah, I just love the juxtaposition. All right, I'm gonna give this one a 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5 for sure. For sure. Is there anything else you have to say about it? I mean, why? Like, what made you like decide to pair? I love the green. I mean,
yeah, I like these colors.
Yeah.
I'm a muted tone kind of girl. So,
definitely.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I just thought the hat matched the pants. And,
Bucket hats.
Yeah.
It's like a little rain hat too. It's got.
It has like this like material, and it's like fleece inside.
Yeah.
So it keeps you warm.
For sure.
So yeah.
Cool. All right, outfit number 4, number cuatro. Let's get it. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Wow. That is nice.
Yep. So this is a bit more of a dressed up occasion. It shows that I have my EJ black hoodie, and it shows that you can dress up our garments. We have our black beanie too, and yeah, this is kind of like a date night occasion on a colder day, because this is pretty thick. So
yeah, this one's fire.
Definitely won't get cold.
Yeah.
With this duo.
For sure, for sure. More of a winter, like more like a colder kind of day. Yeah, I love this outfit. I said last time was my favorite, but man, oh man, this one's good. This one is real nice.
Yep.
I have to give this one a 5 out of 5. Like, I mean, without a doubt, 5 out of. you really killed this thing, boy. But yeah, 5 out of 5 for sure. I mean, it's just a great outfit. I love the tones once again, and I think you're doing a great job of pairing just light colors, you know, complementary colors. Black obviously goes with everything, so the black with the, like, it's sectioned off, though, you know what I mean? Like, I really like that.
Splash of color, just to, you know, offset it.
This is what reminds me of like some like paparazzi, like you know, like, oh, you gotta put sunglasses on, it's getting too bright out, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's getting too bright. Somebody insert a drum roll, because this is outfit number 5, cinco, numero cinco, ocho cinco. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. All right, come on in, Lauren. Outfit number 5.
Outfit number 5.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay. Yeah.
So this is a lot more fresh, you know?
Yeah.
I'm feeling fresh.
Talk to me about it.
I'm feeling fresh. Got some leather pants again. These are my go-to shoes. They go with everything, so you know. I'm wearing
some Superstars.
Some Superstars, yeah. They're just so comfortable. Also, when they get wet, yeah, it's just good for the fall too.
Yeah.
But I'm wearing a flannel, oversized flannel.
Wait. You have a chain on your neck?
Yeah.
Talking about the details.
Got a little choker going on.
That's fine.
Get out of my...
That's fine.
Stealing my spotlight.
I like the choker.
Yeah, I know, I don't really wear chokers much, but decided to pop it out just to, you know, it's a little bit more of a boyish outfit, but you know, this kind of just makes it more.
I'm just edgy a little bit, I guess.
Yeah. And then, so I'm wearing an oversized flannel for my dad, honestly, and it's just old, and I thought that it was like a cool little layering going on.
Yeah, it's a good little accentuating.
Yeah, I got the collar popping
Where do you
out.
see yourself wearing this?
This is like an everyday, I see this as an everyday outfit.
Every day.
I could also wear these, like, just leggings, which would maybe be more comfortable than leather pants, but I would probably, yeah. So, going over to your friend's house with your mask on, and yeah.
Facts. Yeah, I like this one a lot too. The leather pants, I'm digging the black leather.
Yeah.
I love the obviously I'm wearing the gray crew neck and the black beanie. Like I love that combo together.
Yes,
Honestly. I think it just is really hard, honestly. This outfit I do enjoy it, but like if I'm comparing it to the other ones, I do have to say 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5. I would say the last, like, what was it, 3 and 4 were some bangers.
He likes the more girly ones. That's what I'm seeing here. I hope that gave you some inspiration for your fall winter outfits. These were just a few of the ways that I like to style the garments. Obviously there's plenty of other ways that you could style them.
So many ways.
Yeah.
So if you guys like this video, be sure to comment down below your favorite outfit like Lauren said. Like the video and subscribe to our videos. We post content weekly on YouTube.
So next time I'll be rating Drew's outfits, so stay tuned for that.
We'll see you in the next video. Love.